Here are 4 reasons why a bison can't be domesticated and why there never will. Although a bison can be tamed to an extent or raised on ranches for meat, true domestication is a different biological and behavioral hurdle. Domestication isn't just about being around humans, it involves selective breeding over generations to fundamentally change a species' temperament and genetics. Bison remain wild, even in captivity, for several key reasons. 1. The fight-or-flight response. Most domesticated animals like cows or sheep have a relatively low startle threshold. Bison, however, have an extremely intense flight-or-fight response honed by thousands of years of evading predators like wolves and grizzly bears. They are unpredictable and can go from calm to charging at 35-40 mph in an instant. 2. Physical power and agility. Unlike cattle, bison are incredibly athletic. Jumping, they can clear fences up to 6 feet high from a standstill. Strength, a mature bull can weigh up to 2,000 pounds, making standard farm equipment and fencing largely ineffective. Agility, they can pivot and move with a speed that makes them very difficult to herd or handle in the way one would handle a dairy cow. 3. Lack of a hierarchical social structure. Domesticable animals usually follow a clear leader or alpha, which humans can then replace. While bison live in herds, their social structure is more fluid. They don't instinctively submit to a boss figure, making it nearly impossible for a human handler to exert the kind of control necessary for traditional farming or labor. 4. Territorial and protective instincts. Bison are notoriously protective of their young and their space. Unlike domestic cattle, which have been bred for docility, the calm gene, bison have retained their aggressive defensive maneuvers. This makes close-quarter work such as milking, shearing, or medical examinations extremely dangerous for humans. The Beefalo attempt. In an effort to combine the hardiness of the bison with the docility of the cow, humans created the Beefalo. While these hybrids are easier to manage, they are still not considered truly domesticated bison. They are a separate crossbreed. Essentially, the bison's spirit is tied to its biology. They are built to survive a rugged wilderness, and those same traits make them unwilling partners in a domestic setting.